Good morning po. Hopefully, narinig niyo po ako right now. To all the passers of the LET examination for teachers yesterday, I would like to congratulate them all kasi po, I know that the board exam has a lot of pressure.
Mm.
And to those who support us, thank you din po.
Oo. Well, Ma'am Charity, thank you so much po 'no, sa inyo pong oras ngayon dito sa ating pong palatuntunan at siyempre sa pagpapa-unlock po ninyo nito nga pong interview po na ito. Pero kumusta ho kami, ma'am? Kumusta ho kayo after nga po na ito, kayo po ay pumasa, dito po sa board examination and even topping, the board exam po, Ma'am Charity?
Right now, all I could feel was yung sense of relief. Kasi po, ilang months din po kaming kinabahan because na-delay din po kasi here in Region 2 yung exam namin.
Yes.
Instead of September, it's November, and most of my classmates are very excited for the results.
Mhm.
For me naman po, I was very nervous kasi I know that there are tons of people supporting me regarding the results, my teachers, my family, and even my review center, CBRC Kawayan branch.
Mm.
And yesterday, ang pinakauna po kasi is, I was not notified about the result. Kaya ko na lang po nalaman because the review center notified me.
Mm.
And my first reaction was, I am skeptic. Kasi top-notcher, for all I know was that I did my best. But
Okay.
I know that there are tons of examinees na prepared much more than I did.
Mm.
And to that, kudos to them too. So
Oo.
for now, I feel relieved regarding the
Mm.
results.
Oo, at least ito yung nga kumbaga'y parang bonus na lang 'no, Ma'am Charity, yung nga hong pag-top po ninyo dito po
Yes.
sa board exam. Pero kwentuhan niyo nga ho kami kasi marami po yung mga nagka-congratulates po sa inyo, as of right now. Marami po yung nga pong mga pagbati. Pero kumusta po ba yung naging journey po ninyo since, noong college days until, such time na ito talagang kukuha na po kayo ng board examination, lalong-lalo na binabanggit niyo kanina na na-delay po ito nga pong board examination po ninyo last September po, Ma'am Charity.
Regarding the journey, it started when I was in college.
Mm.
I was deciding what course I wanted to take, and since I was a kid, I was confident I wanted to become a teacher.
Mm.
And luckily for me, I was able to meet good mentors, especially from St. Ferdinand College, Ilagan campus. And along the way, I was able to find out more about the essence of teaching,
Mm.
and they provided me good foundations actually, which made my preparation for board exam quite easy.
Mhm.
Um, in terms of my journey, it is summarized by the motto of our school: Ora et labora et lege. Ora means prayer because there are things beyond my control that I left to God.
Mhm.
I remembered praying to two churches before going for the LET exam. And also, it was God's plan siguro na I was able to meet professors and instructors because I did not originally plan that. But God gave me tons of support from
Mm.
my family, from my friends and teachers. Then labora means labor. Every success, there's hard work behind it.
Mhm.
Um, my Me being a top notcher right now, it's achieved through consistency. Nag-review po ako sa review center. I made sure to not go absent. I also like to read, which is under ETLEGE, means to study. To study
Mm.
hard, to read a lot, because I am an avid reader. So all those motto, it was the summary of my journey because since I like reading and since I had the support of people around me, I was able to become a top notcher. So far,
Mm.
that's, I think, is the whole journey for now. And
Oo.
this journey is just the beginning, actually.
Yes ho, ma'am. Pero dito ma'am, matanong ko lang kasi, yung dun po sa, journey, I know na hindi po, lahat naging madali. Pero meron po ba yung parang hindi niyo po makakalimutan na kumbaga'y parang biggest, challenge, sa journey po ninyo, Ma'am Charity?
Regarding the biggest challenge, Actually, I'm an English major. So
Mm-mm.
usually, pag English major, they assume that we have difficulty in mathematics. And luckily for me, when I took the board exam, I was so happy to see that the mathematics subject that I have difficulty in when I was in high school,
Mm-mm.
it became memorable because somehow, during that exam, I can finally face my weakness, which is mathematics.
Mhm.
And I told myself, Cha, with all the extra lessons you have in math, um, I actually have a line of 79 or a below 80 grade in mathematics before when I was in high school.
Mhm.
And I told myself, this is it. This is the time for you na bumawi. So
Oo.
I did my best to answer that, even if it's in Gen Ed, actually.
Mm.
Mathematics is actually my weakness, and it became also one of my highlights when I took the exam.
Oo. Well, yes po. And speaking of the exam, Ma'am Charity, kumusta naman? Kumusta naman po yung examination po na yan? Ito lang, nakalipas po na November po, Ma'am.
Um, Actually, I am very thankful that there's 19 days of waiting only, because if it's more than many months, perhaps I might be sleep deprived as of now.
Mm.
Um, when I took the board exam, all I could ever think about was, after this, there are people supporting me and will be looking forward to look into my results. You have to do it for them. So that's all I could ever think of right now po.
Mm.
And even during the exam, just do
Mm.
your best.
Oo. But so far, ma'am, kumusta na yung ang mga pagbati? Kasi ito, yung nga pong rank 8 po kay top notcher. So far, kumusta yung pagbati from family, friends, relatives, mga nakakakilala ho sa inyo po, ma'am?
Actually, I'm not really active in social media,
Mm.
unfortunately, and I would like to apologize to them na I cannot reply to them one by one, but I am very thankful for their support. I'm not really good in the matters of social media, even now in front of the camera. I'm
Mhm.
not exactly that confident, but I'm trying my best. So thank you po sa mga nag-greet po, and thank you also for congratulating my classmates,
Mm.
because I know they also did their best. So yun po.
Oo. Pero meron po ba, ma'am, yung ang ito kasi teacher, yung teaching, you want to be a teacher. Parang meron po ba yung ang biggest na talaga naman nag-inspire po sa inyo? So eto, i-take na ho etong ang education sa college and eto eventually to become a teacher po, Ma'am Charity.
To become a teacher, it started when I was around elementary. When I was in my childhood, I have two great teachers. They're not formal teachers. They're the teachers I have at home.
Yes po.
Um, there's my Tita Ann, yung si Tita Angela Villarvel. She taught me discipline.
Mhm.
And my mother, she taught me ambition. And they told me, Cha, you had a potential for learning. And while I was choosing my course,
Mm.
I asked myself, Cha, they told you you have a potential in learning, and in learning, what's the course that is very nearest to it?
Mm.
And I told myself it's teaching. So I took a teaching or the teaching profession, not just because it's the dream of my younger self, but because it is where others see the potential in me. Because
Mhm.
teaching and learning is a discourse, it's a communication. Teachers learn from their students, while learners also teach their teachers something new.
Mhm.
We learn from each other. That's, I think, is the essence of the teaching profession. It's generous both ways.
Mm.
So, also, of course, hindi po mawawala, I was inspired by my mentors, my high school teachers from Regional Science High School, my elementary teachers from Angels of Hope Academy. Then, na-enhance yung inspiration ko when I met my professors in St. Ferdinand College.
Mm.
So, yes, they are all my inspirations. My two greatest teachers, my aunt and my mother. Then, of course, my mentors. I was lucky to meet them.
Mm. Okay. Well, Ma'am Cha, eto ha, maraming salamat po sa inyo pong oras ngayon dito sa ating palatuntunan. Ito, bibigay ko po itong opportunity ho sa inyo para mag-iwan po ng mensahe sa lahat po ng mga nakikinig, nanonood, yung mga aspiring teachers po na gusto din pong eto maging top notcher or to pass the board examination. Of course, yung pong mga gusto nyo pong pasalamatan, please go ahead po, Miss Cha.
Okay, so I would like to start sa mga gusto ko pong pasalamatan. Of course, hindi po mawawala si God doon. He gave me this chance to bring honor to my mentors and to those people I met who was supporting me, my family. I would also like to thank my family. They provide me a strong foundation in terms of values. As I said earlier, they taught me ambition and discipline. And to my mentors in various academic institutions. When I was in elementary, I was taught by Angels of Hope Academy. Then in high school, Regional Science High School. Then in college is St. Ferdinand College, Ilagan Campus. I would like to thank them for giving me a strong foundation in terms of knowledge. Then my friends and of course my classmates, I would like to thank them for their moral support. I would like to especially mention Ate Aika because she's the one pushing me to review. Ilang weeks na lang I think yun before the exam, she told me mag-review ka ng English majorship. And of course, CBRC Kawayan branch for enhancing the foundation provided to me by my academic institution. I would also like to thank them for their support. Then of course, yung scholarships po, they help a lot. The scholarship from the BroEd, especially kahapon, I just received it. Then the ACES, then I also have the CBRC Review Scholarship. I'm thankful for that. And also the scholarship from my academic institution. I was their academic scholar. Because without them, I doubt that it will be I think it will be more difficult for me to reach this. They provide me a good environment, a good community for me to learn. And also for the future top notchers and future let passers, a piece of advice. Learning is not a chore. Review is not a chore actually. If you wanted to make it more enjoyable, you make it fun. You don't have to put yourself too much into studying. Do something you enjoy because learning is not just you read a book. You found it everywhere. Learning is everywhere. Accidental or intentional. As long as you enjoy it, then the journey is worth it. Learning doesn't have to be a chore. So, yun lang po siguro yung advice ko sa magte-take po ng next let exams and also to my juniors in St. Ferdinand College po. Yun lamang po. And thank you also po for the opportunity of today, this morning, for being able to let me share this message.
Okay. Well, Ma'am Cha, thank you so much din po sa inyo pong pagpapaunlak mo ng interview dito sa atin pong palatuntunan. Well, muli, magandang araw, congratulations at mag-ingat po kayo, ma'am.
Yes po. Thank you din po, madam.
Sa Radyo Bumbo!